Modern RC gadgets now use the same motion sensors and smart controls found in real vehicles. What were once simple toys have evolved into powerful, high-tech machines, and today they're finally being revealed. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. If you love cool gadgets and insane RC tech, hit subscribe. Let's dive in. The 8-wheel RC car is a machine that instantly grabs attention. With 8 wheels instead of the usual 4, it's built for balance and stability. Imagine taking it across rocky paths, sandy beaches, or even grassy fields. It just keeps moving without hesitation. The extra wheels give it grip and control, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over or losing traction. It feels like a mini off-road vehicle, ready to conquer terrains that would stop ordinary RC cars in their tracks. The fun part is watching it glide over obstacles like a tiny tank, making you feel like you're commanding a powerful explorer. Whether you're racing with friends or testing it on rough ground, the 8-wheel RC car delivers a sense of unstoppable adventure. Now, if you're looking for something with raw power and attitude, the RC Monster Truck is the star of the show. With oversized tires, raised suspension, and a rugged build, this truck is designed to dominate. Picture it launching off a ramp at the park, bouncing back with a roar that makes everyone turn their heads. It's not just about speed, it's about presence. The monster truck is perfect for those who love drama in their play. It's rugged, loud, and built to handle rough terrain. If the 8-wheel RC car is the SUV of RC gadgets, then the monster truck is the rockstar pickup that refuses to play quietly. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like a kid again, bringing excitement to every race. But what if you want something sleek, stylish, and dripping with luxury? That's where the mini Lamborghini comes in. This isn't just a toy, it's a statement. The design mirrors the iconic curves of the real Lamborghini, and when you drive it, you feel like you're holding a piece of automotive art. Imagine gifting this to someone who loves cars. They'd probably display it as much as they'd drive it. And yes, it's fast. The mini Lamborghini is perfect for smooth surfaces where its elegance shines. It's the gadget that says, "I've got taste," even when you're just racing it across your living room floor. It's not about ruggedness, it's about style, speed, and the thrill of luxury in miniature form. Now, let's add a splash, literally, with the Amphibious Waterproof RC Car. This gadget is wild because it doesn't care if you're on land or water. Drive it straight into a puddle and instead of stopping, it transforms into a water cruiser. Imagine the fun during rainy days or at the beach. Kids love it, adults secretly love it even more. It's like having 2 gadgets in one, a Land Rover and a water explorer. And the waterproof design means you don't have to panic if it takes a dive. It's freedom in a gadget, letting you play without limits. The thrill of watching it switch from land to water makes every ride unpredictable and exciting. From fun to functionality, the RC Excavator brings something completely different. This one is fascinating because it's not just about racing, it's about replicating real-world machines. The excavator arm actually moves, scoops, and digs. Imagine setting up a mini construction site in your backyard. It's oddly satisfying to watch it scoop sand or small pebbles, just like the real thing. For kids, it's educational. They learn how machinery works. For adults, it's therapeutic. There's something calming about controlling a gadget that mimics heavy-duty equipment, but in a playful, scaled-down way. It's not about speed, it's about precision, control, and the joy of building something even if it's just a pile of sand. Now here's where things get futuristic, the gesture-controlled RC car. Forget remotes, this car listens to your hand movements. Tilt your wrist and it turns. Wave your hand and it speeds up. It feels like magic, like you're a wizard commanding a machine. Imagine showing this off to friends. They'd be blown away. It's not just fun, it's a glimpse into how gadgets are evolving. Gesture control makes it feel personal, almost like the car is an extension of you. And yes, it's responsive enough to make you feel in control, not frustrated. This one is pure innovation wrapped in fun, and it makes you wonder what the future of RC gadgets will look like. Speaking of quirky innovation, the RC Shoes Car is one of the most playful gadgets you'll ever see. Yes, you heard that right, a car shaped like shoes. It's hilarious, entertaining, and guaranteed to make people laugh. Imagine racing two shoe-shaped cars against each other. It's a sight you won't forget. But beyond the humor, it's surprisingly functional. The design makes it unique, and it's perfect for parties or casual fun. It's the kind of gadget that breaks the ice, sparks conversations, and reminds you that not all tech has to be serious. Sometimes it's just about joy, and the RC Shoes Car delivers that in spades. Now, let's shift gears to something built for performance, the GO H16DR. This is the speed demon of the lineup. Sleek design, powerful motor, and precision handling. It's made for those who crave adrenaline. Imagine racing it on a track and feeling the rush as it hugs corners and blasts down straights. The GO isn't just fast, it's engineered for control. It's the kind of gadget that makes you want to time-lapse, challenge friends, and push limits. If you're serious about RC racing, this one feels like the professional's choice. It's not just a toy, it's a machine built for speed enthusiasts.
Of course, we can't forget the classic RC truck. Reliable, versatile, and always fun. Trucks are the backbone of RC collections because they balance speed with utility. You can load small items on them, race them, or just enjoy their sturdy build. The RC truck is like that dependable friend who's always ready for an adventure. It's not flashy, but it's solid, and sometimes that's exactly what you want. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the RC truck delivers consistent fun. It's the kind of gadget that never goes out of style, always ready to roll when you are. Finally, let's revisit amphibious design with the Amphibious RC Car. Unlike the waterproof version we saw earlier, this one is all about adaptability. It's built to transition seamlessly between land and water, almost like a gadget with dual citizenship. Imagine driving it across grass, then straight into a pond, and watching it continue without hesitation. It's freedom, versatility, and creativity packed into one. Amphibious RC cars are proof that gadgets can break boundaries, giving us experiences that feel limitless. It's the perfect way to end this lineup, an RC car that refuses to be confined to one surface. So, which gadget amazed you the most? Was it the futuristic gesture-controlled car, the luxurious mini Lamborghini, or the rugged monster truck? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more exciting gadget explorations. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.